guys, how's it going today? So we have a little bit of a project in the garage. Now I kind of went back and forth on whether or not I wanted to take you along on doing this, and I decided to go ahead and do it primarily because while it's not exactly garden related, it has to do with the season that we are in. So right now we are in that in-between season, and I can feel that the garden season is just about to totally pounce on us. So one thing that I have learned in urban homesteading, and this would go for full-scale homesteading and homesteaders as well, this time of the year, the big focus and the big push is on getting organized and cleared and cleaned out. And the main reason for that is when you are in full-blown garden season and you are doing that and that's your focus, it's wonderful, it's thrilling. But if you have a lot of clutter or a disorganized system, it's going to make your gardening experience a lot more frustrating, a lot more angst inspiring, and you're just gonna have some general irritability. Whereas if you go on ahead and take this downtime to take care of that stuff, the garden season just goes so much smoother. I can't even begin to express to you how worth it is to take just a few hours every week to organize something for the coming garden season. So that's what we're doing today. We actually have a shelving unit that we are going to be putting up, and then we've got some tool racks to put up because with everything we're doing, we've accumulated a lot more tools that we actually use and need. So we're gonna work on getting all of that organized today and getting a lot of our garden totes and things that we already have organized up on shelves and out of the general floor space so that we can see what they are, see where they are, grab them and go. It'll just make everything garden related so much easier. So I'm gonna go on ahead and put you on hyperlapse and take you along and show you the process of us organizing some space in our garage for the garden this year. Okay, let's get started. guys, so we were able to get the big shelving unit up and looks so much better over here, just doing the little bit with the one shelf. We did attempt to put up the racks for all of the tools. However, we seem to be missing studs, or our stud finder is just not working correctly. Could go either way. But Mom worked about at least a foot through here with holes and couldn't find a stud. So that's a little concerning. But prefab pals, what do you want? Oh, where'd you find him?
He's in the box.
Huh. Random Christmas decoration, guys. Okay, so we did manage to get the shelf up, as I said. We will be looking at doing another shelf over here as well, and I suppose we are going to be getting a new stud finder and or trying to figure out another way to store the big garden tools that are over here. If you guys have any brilliant ideas, please leave them in the comments below. But that's all I've got for you today. So I hope this has inspired you to at least start working on your space, no matter how little it is, because even just having the one shelving unit here has made a huge difference already. So I would definitely encourage you to do the exact same thing. But guys, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Like, subscribe, and share.
That too. Don't forget to do all of that. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.